In this tutorial, learn how to make a fabric face mask with a filter pocket and nose wire. Let's start with the elastic version. Serge or zigzag stitch both 9-inch sides of the mask. This will keep the inside edges of the pocket from fraying. Fold fabric in half widthwise, right sides together, and pin. With ruler and pencil, mark 1.5 inches in from each end. Stitch from end to end, each mark with 1/2 inch seam allowance. You are creating the opening for the filter pocket. Press seam allowances flat and turn mask right side out. On one side, top stitch along seam allowance. This will be the lower edge of the filter pocket. Fold fabric at 1/2 inch above filter pocket opening. Top stitch along the folded edge. Insert pipe cleaner in top fold and center. Pin fold closed and stitch across ends of pipe cleaner and along bottom of fold. Create 3 even pleats, press, and base stitch close to the edges. Cut elastic in half to make 2 7-inch pieces. On back of mask, baste end of elastic at top and bottom on each side. Make sure there are no twists in the elastic. Press both finishing fabric pieces in half lengthwise, wrong sides together. On back of mask, center fabric pieces on side edges and pin in place. Wrap short ends to right side of mask and pin. Stitch along sides with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Trim corners and pull out entire finishing piece and press. Fold entire finishing piece to front of mask. Top stitch along edges of finishing piece. For fabric ties, feed tie pieces through bias tape maker and press with iron. Find middle of fabric tie and mark with pin or marking pencil. Open pressed folds on ties and place the center point at a top corner of the mask on the front side. Pin, tie in place, and stitch along fold. Repeat on other side with second tie. Wrap fabric ties to the back of the mask and pin in place. Trim down the seam allowance if necessary. Fold ties in half, start at one end, and stitch along edges to finish the ties.